Good morning, students. Today we are going to read the chapter The Hack Driver. This is chapter number 8 from the book Footprints Without Feet. The chapter is written by Harry Sinclair Lewis from 1885 to 1951, who was an American novelist, short story writer, and playwright. He is the first American writer to receive the Nobel Prize in Literature. Some of his famous novels are Hike and the Airplane, The Job, An American Novel, Free Air, etc. So, the present chapter, the story The Hack Driver by Sinclair Lewis, is about a man whose name was Oliver Lukens. He was a cunning man who was a witness in a case. Understand? Do you know witness? One who see the incident with his own eyes. But he ignored and is the only proof of something. Understand? But he ignored all the requests for appearing. A young lawyer was given the duty to find this man in New Mullion. New Million is a place. Okay, there he meets a helpful and cheerful hack. Means hack, what is the meaning of hack? Cart driver. The driver takes him around the village in search of Lutkins, but is unable to find him. Later on, the lawyer came to know that the hack, means car driver, was Oliver Lutkins himself. The younger lawyer becomes the laughing stock joke of all. Understand? Now, how many characters are there? There are mainly two characters. Number one, narrator. He is himself a young lawyer who is gullible, means laughable or being laughed. Okay. The hack driver makes a fool out of him. Then Oliver Lutkins, a dishonest man who tricks others and receives summons from the court. He is a great storyteller. He takes up the name of Bill Magnuson to fool the lawyer. Understand? Now let's begin the chapter with its reading. After graduating with honors, I became a junior assistant clerk in a magnificent law firm. I was sent not to prepare legal briefs, but to serve summons like a cheap private detective. I had to go to dirty and shadowy corners of all the city to seek out my victims. Some of the larger and more self-confident ones even backed me up. I hated this unpleasant work and the sight of the city life it revealed to me. I even considered fleeing to my hometown where I could have been a real lawyer right away without going through this unpleasant training period. Now see the meaning of difficult words. Magnificent means glorious, majestic, splendid. Okay. Legal briefs means a written legal document. Summons means court order. Detective means investigator. Shadowy means dark, dim, unpleasant, horrible. Okay. And then there are more meanings like revealed means showed. Understand? Another is fleeing means running, and rejoiced means enjoyed. Understand? Next one is unpleasant, that is not pleasant. Now the meaning of this paragraph. Here in this paragraph, the narrator gives his introduction that after completing his graduation with honors, he got selected for a job of junior assistant clerk in a very famous law firm. Firm means company. Understand? But instead of preparing legal papers like a lawyer, he had to deliver the court orders to various people whom he had referred to as his victims. Victims means criminals. Understand? He said so because in many of the cases he had to face very awkward situation where he was beaten up by them. Understand? Now they did so in order to avoid court orders, who means criminals, as they had to then comply with them. So the narrator says that he hated his job. He hated it to the extent that he sometimes thought of running away to his hometown where he could work as a real lawyer and not as a mere clerk. So I rejoiced one day when they sent me out 40 miles in the country to a town called New Mullion to serve summons on a man called Oliver Lutkins. We needed this man as a witness in a law case, and he had ignored all our letters. Now see the meaning of difficult words. Witness means evidence, or here means viewer, observer. Understand? So what happened? One day the narrator was very happy to know that he had to visit a place which was 40 miles away from the place where he lived. He says that the town which he had to visit was New Mullion. It was the name of the town. He had to visit this place in order to serve summons, means court orders, to a man named Oliver Lutkins. Oliver Lutkins was a witness of some case, and the firm needed, means company needed him for that case. But he had constantly been neglecting the letter sent by the law firm or the orders given by the company. Understand? Now the next paragraph. When I got to Mullion, my eager expectations of sweet and simple country village were severely disappointed. Its streets were rivers of mud with rows of wooden shops, either painted a sour brown or bare of any paint at all. The only agreeable sight about the place was the delivery man at the station. He was about 40, red faced, cheerful, and thick about the middle. His working clothes were dirty and well worn, and he had a friendly manner. You felt at once that he liked people. Okay, now see the meaning of difficult words. Eager means impatient. Okay, next word is expectation, means supposition. Disappointed means upset. Understand? And then agreeable sight means pleasant sight. And well worn means torn out. Now, meaning of this paragraph. When the narrator reached New Mullion, the town, his excitement about visiting a village was washed off. Okay. He got he became disappointed to see this village. It happened so because the village was not as per his expectations, okay, his desires. The streets were in a bad condition as they were full of mud. The shops were also very dull and dirty. Everything he saw was full of dullness, making him very sad. But then he saw a delivery man who was about 40 years old and was very cheerful in nature. Understand? And it seemed to the narrator that he was very friendly with other people. This made him like the delivery man, and he referred him as the only person in the village who made him feel nice. Okay, now next paragraph. I told him to find a man named Oliver Lutkins. I saw him around here about an hour ago. Hard fellow to catch though, always up to something or other. He's probably trying to start up a poker game in the back of Fritz's shop. I tell you, boy, is there any hurry about locating Lutkins? Okay, I want, yes, I want, I told him to find a man named Oliver Lutkins. Now, see the meaning of difficult words. Poker game means a type of card game. Understand? Then locating means finding. Meaning of this paragraph. Now the narrator means the lawyer went up to his cheerful delivery man and told him that he was searching for a man named Oliver Liutkins. The delivery man quickly repeated the name of the person being searched by the clerk. He then told him that he saw Liutkins an hour ago. Who told? This delivery boy. Okay. He told that he saw him just 1 hour ago. He then told him that uh, he also told him that it was not easy to find him as he was always up to something. Then he told him that Liutkins could be found at Fritz's shop where he played a card game known as poker. Poker is a card game, understand? He also inquired him about the urgency of finding Liutkins. Now, see from here. Yes, I want to catch the afternoon train back to the city. I was very important and secret about it. I will tell you the what. I have got a hack. I will get it out and we can drive around together and find Lutkins. I know most of the places he hangs out. Meaning of hack means a horse-drawn vehicle, horse cart. Understand? Hangs out means to spend time doing nothing in particular. Now meaning of these lines. So now the narrator, the clerk, who is the narrator? The clerk, okay, replied that it was very urgent to find Liutkins as he had to go back to the city by the afternoon train. So to this, the delivery man replied that he had a horse cart and he would help him in finding Liutkins. He knew all those places where Liutkins spent his free time or all the places visited by Liutkins. Understand? Now see the next paragraph. He was so open and friendly that I glowed with the warmth of his affection. I knew, of course, that he wanted the business, but his kindness was real. I was glad the fare money would go to this good fellow. I managed to bargain down to $2 an hour, and then he brought from his house nearby a sort of large black box on wheels. He remarked, "Well, young man, here's the carriage," and his white smile made me into an old friend. These villagers are so ready to help a stranger. He had already made it his own task to find Oliver Liutkins for me. Now see the meaning of difficult words. Glowed means shone. Okay. But here it means impressed, influenced. Okay. Next word is affection, means love and care for someone. Then bargain. Bargain down means haggled. Next word is interfere, disturb. Okay. Black box, see black box on wheels means refers to the horse cart. Now the meaning of this paragraph. So now the clerk was impressed by the, deeply influenced by the friendly behavior of the delivery boy. He says that though he knew that he was trying to earn some money from him, but he accepted his offer because he was very nice man. It was because of his nice and friendly behavior that he accepted the offer, but he cracked the deal at $2 per hour. Okay, means he was ready to pay how much? $2 for per hour. Understand? Now, later on, the delivery man brought his horse cart and offered him to sit. The clerk thought of the kindness and the helpful nature of the villagers who helped a stranger and took his problem as his own. Understand? Here in this paragraph, he is appreciating the wholeheartedness of villagers. Understand? Next paragraph. He said, "I don't want to interfere, young fellow, but my guess is that you want to collect some money from Lutkins." He never pays anybody a cent. He still owes me 50 cents on a poker game I was fooled enough to play with him. He's not really bad, but it's hard to make him part with his money. If you try to collect from him in those fancy clothes, he will be suspicious and get away from you. If you want, I will go into Fritz and ask for him, and you can keep out of sight behind me. Now see the meaning of difficult words. Owes means in debt, okay, or an obligation to pay money. Next word is fancy. Fancy means beautiful, fine. Next word is suspicious means doubtful. Okay. Now see the meaning of the paragraph. The delivery man started a conversation with the clerk and inquired if he had to take back his money from Yudkins. He asked so.